Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will talk about the Epic account or the ECFMG account. We will tell you how to create an account on Epic, what you will need to make an account, what is the total fee for verification of Epic and the documents, and what you will need to do for uploading the credentials. Here is a checklist. First of all, you will need to have a valid passport, and secondly, you will need your passport size picture scanned in your mobile phone or laptop, and thirdly, and the most important, you will need a credit or debit card with at least $140. And if you have all of them, let's move to the next step. In this step, you are watching the Epic account website here. At this place, you will see an option establishing an account. If you are new to Epic account, you will click here, establish an account. It will move to the new window. In the new window, you will see different tabs, and if you want to check the fee for this process, click on the fee portal, and then you can see here it's $130 fee, but there are some taxes that you need to pay for making a transaction, so you should have at least $140 in your account. And when you will have a verified account of Epic, then you can upload your credentials for verification, and each credential will be charged for $100, but that is the next step. The first page open. In this you have to give your name, your country of living, your home address, your graduation school. As you can see here, these are the details that are being asked. I will quickly fill the details to save your time. Now I have filled all the details. You can see here the red stars. These red stars means these questions must be answered, so you cannot leave these options unanswered, and you need to follow this text if you are in Pakistan and you are applying for Epic registration. Put your country code in the first box, then area code, that must be your service provider code, and then you will write your number. The 7-digit number should be in the last box. After the contact details, there are some details about your date of birth, your birth country, and your citizenship. If you fill that, then there will be a few questions about United States Social Security number, but it's not a required field, so you can just skip it. And the last, you will check as no both of the questions. If you have USMLE or ECFMG identification number, if you are a new candidate, you will mark as no, and in the last question it's also marked as no. So after filling this page, you will continue, and when you click at continue, medical school details will be asked. In these details, you will need to provide the school name or the medical college name, city, and then Epic website will show you the name of that college or school, and then you can pick it from the options. You will just see here. If you are a student, you can mark in the student box, you can check it. If you are graduate, you will check the graduate option. After that, you will have to provide the degree medical school details. While adding the school details, you can see first of all you will have to select the country, then you will write manually the name of your city in which your college was or the graduation school was present, and then you will write the spellings of your school name. You will just need to match those spellings. Website will search it for you, and then you will select it from the drop down menu. As you can see, I've just searched for Allama Iqbal Medical College in the city of Lahore. It has provided me the Allama Iqbal Medical College in the drop down list. I have selected it. You will select for yours, and then you will provide the date of joining in the first year MBBS and the year of joining, and then you will have to provide the date of end of the classes after your final year and the year of end of the session. After providing those details, you will provide the details of your medical degree, when it was issued. Try to find the date present on your medical degree. The title of degree is on your MBBS degree or whatever degree you are providing. Try to write exact name of the degree that is present on your transcript. If you have been provided with some identification number in your college or school, then you can write that number in the option given. After providing these details, you will need to continue forward. You will add these details and it will appear as being shown here. After adding these details, you will click on the continue button. When you will press on continue, a new window will open. In this window, Epic website will ask you if you know about the website or the organization for which you are applying. In this case, if we are going to apply for Irish Medical Council, we will select that from the options. Here it is present. After selecting Irish Medical Council, we will proceed further. Now it will ask for photo or passport. As you can see here, the photograph I have uploaded is just being shown here, just like the passport photo. So both of your photos will be available here. After that, you will provide your passport details. You will provide details about your passport, the country it has been issued by, and the issue date and the expiry date for your passport. In the next window, you will have to check some certification by yourself. You will check all of these boxes. And then you will proceed. When you will proceed, you will be directed to an online transaction method in which you will pay $130 the US dollars online by your debit or a credit card, and you will receive an email after the confirmation of payment. When you will receive the confirmation email, in that email there will be a login ID and a password. You will click on the link provided in the email. It can take up to 3 working days for the confirmation of your payment. And after clicking on that link, you will be directed to website where you will fill the login ID and password provided in the email. After logging in with the password and the email, you will be asked few questions, and the first few ones will be for some security purposes. Website will ask to remember you an image. It could be some food image or a pet image, and it's just for the purpose that you are on the right website. Whenever you log in, you will see that image on the first page, and if that image is the same that you have selected at the time of login, then it means that you are on the right. After that, you will be asked to provide answers of some quick questions, and you will have to remember all of them. There could be 4 or 5, like what's your mother name, what's your city of birth, etc. Once you provide them, you will be asked every time you log into your Epic ID. After opening your account, you will first need to go to the My Identity Documents tab. In this tab, you will generate an EIF form that will look like the one which is being shown here. It is an auto-generated form, electronic identification form, that means EIF, and it will be generated automatically. For the verification of EIF, it needs your picture and the passport picture that you have uploaded while signing up for the Epic. That will be shown on that EIF form. EIF form will be verified by the Notary Cam. That's a separate website. I will provide you with the link in the description. Make an account at that link. Just try to follow these steps as being shown here to make an account on Notary Cam. For the verification of EIF form from Notary Cam, you will need to download the EIF form from the Epic portal of yours and then upload it on the Notary Cam. After uploading the document at Notary Cam, you will schedule a meeting with the Notary Cam personnel, and that person will verify you through a video call. And after verification of your EIF form, that form will be sent directly to your Epic account. If EIF form is verified by the Notary Cam, then you will be able to upload your credentials for the verification by Epic. That will be the next step, and it will be elaborated in the next video.